Want to learn my automated process to quote a plumbing job in less than 10 minutes? Well, stay tuned to this video and I'm going to show you right now my specific process that I use every single day. All right, so this is a software that we had built for us. This is just a spreadsheet. It's just a fancy looking spreadsheet. So what my process personally is, I get a blueprint sent to me. This is just a super standard basic blueprint. This is actually a job that I've quoted. I'm not gonna do the fully fill-ins and show you everything, but I'm just showing you actually quite a bit of how I do my process. And I can literally have this $30,000 job quoted in less than 10 minutes. This is the basement. So we got a mechanical room with a 3-piece bathroom for our basement. So what I do is I come over, I click on begin quote, and I've already kind of filled everything out just to make it easier. Project name, your size of home. You can actually pick what size of house it is. So that's your main floor and your second floor. Or if it's just the main floor, we just do that. Your date, your builder, your markup on material. This is for 2-man labor rate. And I come over here, I had one 3-piece bathroom, a floor drain, and a condensate drain for the hot water tank and the furnace, and miscellaneous materials. That's just gonna be your backflows, glue and all that stuff. On the main floor, it looks like we had a kitchen, a stove, a little pantry sink, and then a half bath. When I come back, got a half bath, prep sink, and a kitchen sink. That is just the drainage we're doing right now. So main floor drainage and miscellaneous materials. We go back up to the second floor. We got 5-piece bathroom and two 3-piece bathrooms and a 5-piece bathroom. So I just literally type in 2 3-piece bathrooms. Oh, there was a washer and dryer and a laundry sink, 5-piece bathroom, an indirect drain, and miscellaneous materials. We have a hot water tank section, so I always like to use tankless hot water tanks. Put one in for that. And then water lines. Now you already kind of like know what you've done. So you've done 2 3-piece bathrooms. It's actually 3 because of the basement one. There's 2 upstairs, so this should have been 3. So a 5-piece bathroom, a washer, dryer, prep sink, a kitchen sink with vent, a laundry sink, a half bath, hose bibs, irrigation, and miscellaneous materials. Gas. I go through and see what we have for gas. In this, we have a furnace, a hot water tank. We put in a barbecue, a cooktop, and then one fireplace on the main floor. And again, miscellaneous materials, just strapping and screws and that kind of stuff. And then finishing, I just input what we're going to be doing for finishing. I scroll up here and I click generate quote and blammo. And it automatically literally gives you a breakdown of everything, your labor cost, your materials, your markup on materials, on one of those sections. It is automatically spitting this information out for you. And look at that, boom, we got $29,056. It also does a material list. So you can come in here and get your finishing material, your gas material, groundworks, hot water tank, second floor drainage. It is literally pulling out a full material list. You can export this list, send it to your supplier, saves you tons of time. So now that I've done that, I would next come over to my QuickBooks and I come in here, I just have an entire price book and I have pre-written descriptions for every job that I've ever done for my plumbing stuff and gas and whatever it is, hydronic heating, everything. I come in here, I reword some stuff, and then I just take that number that I got from my spreadsheet and I plug it in here and I literally hit save and send. That is my entire process to quote big jobs. I do this every single time. I use that spreadsheet. We're actually currently working on turning it into a software. If you're interested in this spreadsheet, there's a link in the description below. You can check out our spreadsheet if you want to try it out. If you have any questions at all, you can email us. But if you like these kind of videos, just keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.